is a long way away, though. Basadine will have a go. He's done the right thing, getting it to just zip up off the turf right in front of Sapunga. But he was able to watch it, not enough pace on the delivery.
I guess it's the position of the wall as well, where goalkeeper chooses a side that is good. So the goalkeeper anticipated that must be a left-footed player that was going to take it. They could be looking very good. So defensively, the team that can defend, I think it is safe to say that.
De Jong spotting Mojela. Pasadena arriving. Mojela again. Oh man, that's a beauty. Letsohonola Mojela has put Stellenbosch up here at the old Peter Mokaba Stadium with a splendid finish.
Very calm, regardless of where the team is or where the team is going through.
Given away here. Putsaka. Putsaka draws a save out of Sapunga, and then, well, it's put in the back of the net by Devin Titus. Lovely little chip over Sapunga. From Rangers scored 15 goals in the league last season. That was 38.5 of all their league goals. As they have a go here, the deflection is a wicked one, and it's in from Sabang Matanuri, his second of the season. And Polokwane City cross floated high into the air, ended up at the feet of Chauke. Masaluke smothers it. Daniels back across goal. Now De Jong hooks it over his shoulder for Devin Titus. Back with De Jong. Sanele Barnes. Jurgens. Oh, Cupido. For both, it is a first draw of the season. Stellenbosch in 6 days' time will play the MTN final. Polokwane City have a long layoff to come. William Shong.
Indeed.